Well, 55 by 38 by 24 centimeters. Dimensions includes wheels and top handle. Then you have the set protector, so when you put your luggage on the floor, it can protect from scratches. Aluminum material. Handles can go up to 3 different levels with the metal Kono logo on the top right corner. Each suitcase equipped with a TSA-approved lock with set handle. Then, okay, all the details the same on medium and the large. Inside, you have adjustable click strap in nylon material with zip pouch and the back compartment. Only available in few sizes.